It's homecoming week in White Bear Lake area schools. Bears of all ages have enjoyed themed dress-up days and various activities in their buildings. The festivities are leading up to this afternoon's 4:30 p.m. homecoming parade through downtown White Bear Lake and the 7 p.m. football game versus Roseville. Come cheer on the Bears at the high school stadium tonight. Go Bears!
Students, staff, and community members gathered this week at a set sail with Mariner Middle School, open house event that celebrated the opening of Mariner Middle School while also honoring the legacy of Mariner High School. Guests enjoyed learning about the history of the building and opportunities to reconnect. The opening of Mariner Middle School was made possible by the community's support of the 2019 bond referendum. Go Bears!
Today in art class, 4th graders at Onika Elementary drew self-portraits. We practiced proportional drawings using a ruler and a mirror to draw our faces. We also studied different artist drawing styles to find inspiration. Go Bears!